Hi there, I just want to show you how to set up an electric whisk. You've got your handle and you've got your whisks, and you need to make sure that you put them in until they click. Just like that. So there, now this is ready to use. What you have to be careful of before you plug it in is that it's actually off, because otherwise these might turn around when you plug it in. So you've got the plug here, you plug it in and just make sure it's on 0, or just make sure your hands are clear of the whisks before you start. So you've got them all clicked in, that means they'll whiz away and they won't fall out, which is great. And then the other thing I want you to do is when you release them, when they're dirty, is on this one there's a button on the top. You need to press that and they will fall out. Don't just yank them, okay, otherwise you'll break the mechanism inside. So that is what I want to tell you about setting up your whisk.